to raise the item that we're looking for. The first guest to raise the item will bring home this souvenir item courtesy of Cebu Pacific. Ulitin ko lamang po, kailangan niyo po itaas yung item para upang kayo ay manalo. Alright, now I think everyone is ready and my instruction is clear. Let's begin. For our first prize, who can show us their cell phone charger? Cell phone charger, anyone? We have a winner here in front. See it by the window. Alright, congratulations.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. I love you.
And for our next prize, very easy. Who can show us their handbag? Who can show us their handbag? Anyone? We have a big one here in front again. Congratulations, po.
Meron ako friends.
And for our last prize, who can show us their handkerchief? Anyone? Handkerchief. Alright, we have a winner at the back. Congratulations. Right, once again, congratulations to all our winners. And thank you everyone for participating. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to invite you to lend a helping hand from the comfort of our seat as we now pass the UNICEF Change for Good donation bag. Your every contribution will go to UNICEF's programs in education,